Today I will explain Strachan matrix multiplication, which is based on divide and conquer approach. Before the Strachan matrix multiplication, the first I will go on the standard or conventional way of matrix multiplication. So all we know the conventional way for multiplying the two matrices of order n cross n. Say let A and B are two matrices of order n cross n. Let A and B are two matrices of order n cross n, and simply just here the C equal to A into B. So C is also n cross C is also of order n cross n. Okay, so in the conventional method or the standard procedure, what we do, simply we compute the entry of this like this: Cij equal to what? Summation Aik. The entry of the matrices C can be computed in this way: Aik into Bkj, k equal to 1 to n. So in this way, just simply there are how just because k is equal to 1, and simply in the C there are total n square entries, and simply just this computation of the one element of the C matrix required the n multiplication. So simply here the complexity of this conventional procedure is order of n cube. As we know, just if we write the function say the simple procedure for this, for I equal to 1 to n, for j is equal to 1 to n, and say sum equal to 0 for k equal to 1 to n, and yes, s is equal to 0 for k equal to 1 to n, s is equal to s plus aik into bkj, aik into bkj, and s equal to s plus, and then Cij is equal to s. This is a simple matrix multiplication, and here as there are three nested loop involved, so its complexity is order of n cube. Or you can directly see that here for the one entry, one multiplication is required, and in C matrix total entries are n square entries, so n cube number of multiplication are required. So simply the complexity is what? The order of n cube. Okay, so now there is another simple divide and conquer approach to improve the complexity. The simple divide and conquer approach tells that if A and B are two matrices of order n cross n, like say suppose I am taking the matrix of 4 cross 4, say A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34, A41, A42, A43, A44, and we have to multiply this matrix with B11, B12, B13, B14, B21, B22, B23, B24, C21, B31, B32, B33, B34, B41, B42, B43, B44. Okay, suppose these are the A and B. This is the matrix A, this is the matrix B, and our objective is to perform the C matrix, which is the multiplication of A and B. So in the simple divide and conquer approach, the idea is that if we can divide the matrices, matrices of order n cross n into the four matrices of order n by 2 cross n by 2 in this way, like this one. So simply this part I am saying what? A11, this is what? A12, and this is A13, this is what? A14. Okay, the same here. The B matrix is divided into 4 matrices of order n by 2 cross n by 2. So this is B11, B12, B13, B21 and B22. Here, this is A11, A12, A21, A22. So now with this, simply the C11 can be computed as what? A11, just simply what we do in the case of matrix multiplication, this is multiplied with this. So A11 into B11 plus A11 multiplied with B11 and A12 multiplied with B21. This is C11. Now C12, the same row is multiplied with this one. So A11 multiplied with B12 plus A12 multiplied with B22. Now C21. C21 we consider the second row of the first. What C21 is A21 into here B11 plus A22 into B21. Okay. Now C22 is A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. Okay. So this is the way. Simply just here I am multiplying with what Aik into Bkj for all the multiplication. So this simply in this way we are computing. So here, if suppose if suppose the value of n by 2, so our A and B are matrices of order what? N cross n. So we divide it into 4 sub matrices of order 4 sub matrices of order n by 2 cross n by 2. Okay, so here in this case and if suppose the value of after subtraction n is equal to, suppose n is greater than or equal to 2, n equal to 2. If suppose n equal to 2, then we can directly multiply these elements. All these are floating point numbers or real numbers. But if n is greater than 2, and again I am taking here for, because we are simply dividing the matrices every time in of the order n by 2. So here I am assuming that the n is integral power of 2. So n is simply I am taking here for this, n is some integral power of the dimension of the matrix. And if suppose the matrix dimension is not the integral power of 2, then we can add additional number of rows with zeros or columns to make it the n as the integral power of 2. Okay, so if suppose for this case if n equal to 2, then we can directly multiply. But if n is not equal to 2, then recursively we multiply, we procedure recursively. Now this matrix is of what? Of order n by 2, and this matrix is of order n by 2, and to perform this multiplication again recursively we apply the same procedure. This matrix is divided into 4 sub matrices of order n by 4 into n by 4 and so on. We continue this process until we get the matrix of order 2, and finally we perform this multiplication of the elements with this formula. So here see, if we apply this one, so the recurrence relation for this simple divide and conquer approach is that the running time is what? Here see, for this when we are multiplying the 4 matrices of order n by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 multiplication, and simply just what? 8 multiplication of what? N by matrices of order n by 2. Okay, and there are 4 addition. Okay, so simply just here the recurrence relation for this divide and conquer approach is Tn equal to 8 Tn by 2, as it involves what? The 8 multiplication of matrices of order n by 2 plus the cost of addition, and here simply I am taking the addition as just addition of the two matrices. When you add the two matrices, simply the cost is what? The n square. So simply here a n square, okay, and simply b. So this formula, because one addition of two matrices is of order, the addition of two matrices, two loops are required, so the complexity of addition of two matrices is order of n square. So here this term is because of addition, and this term is simply multiplying the two matrices of order n by 2 cross n by 2. So this formula hold for n is greater than 2, and this is for n is less than or equal to 2, where a and b are constant, where a and b are constant. Okay, so if we solve this simple recurrence relation using Master theorem, if we solve this recurrence relation using Master theorem, then first we have to compute what? N की power log b a, and here in this recurrence relation a equal to 8 and b equal to 2. Okay, so simply when we say n की power log 2 8, that is n की power log 2 cube, that is n cube. So here the Tn is nothing but Tn is what? Order of n cube. Okay, so here simply Tn is order of n cube. Simply just if you are solving it with this, so simply you compare it with what? N square, and this is greater than, so it will go to the what? By adding 1. Here what? Fn. In the case of here, if you apply the Master theorem, then here the Fn is equal to an square. So simply just it will go to the first case where simply the n की power log ba is greater than Fn an square. So simply just the Tn is running time is order of n cube. So the standard procedure or conventional method is having the order of n cube, and if we apply the simple divide and conquer approach, then there is no improvement in the complexity. Still I am getting the running time as order of n cube. So now the Strachan, Walker Strachan, one of the scientists, has given matrix multiplication to improve this complexity, as with the concept that the multiplication are more costly as compared to the addition or subtraction. So Strachan has given a formula to multiply two matrices on the basis of with the same approach, divide and conquer approach, but with more number of addition and subtraction, and there are number of comparison 1 less than. So simply here the 8 number of comparison. In the case of Strachan matrix multiplication, there are 7 comparison. Okay, so simply just here see this, what is the Strachan matrix multiplication concept. Simply here again the matrix is matrix A and B. We suppose that the A and B matrices are of order n cross n. So first the matrices are to be divided into the 4 sub matrices of order n by 2 cross n by 2, and again we going on dividing the matrices into the 4 sub matrices until we get the matrix of order 2. And here the Strachan has introduced the 7 variables P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and with using these variables, see C11, C12, C21 and C22 to be computed. These are the 7 constant given by the Strachan to compute C11. C11 is P plus S minus T plus V and so on. So now here you see the number of multiplications. So these are the 7 variables. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 multiplication of matrices are involved. 7 multiplication of matrices of order n by 2 into n by 2, n by 2 cross n by 2, and how many addition and subtraction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are 7 multiplication and 18 addition subtraction. Whereas in the simple divide and conquer approach, there are 8 multiplication and, as I have seen, that there are 4 addition. So simply just Strachan has reduced the multiplication by 1. So our in the case of Strachan matrix multiplication, our the recurrence relation will be what? Tn equal to 7 Tn by 2 plus, so just 7 Tn by 2 because as it is involved the 7 multiplication and what, the 18 addition and subtraction, where a and b are constant. So simply just again, if we solve this recurrence relation using the master theorem, then Fn is equal to, again the Fn is an square, and simply the n की power log ba. Okay, here the b is what? 7. So log 7 b is 2. B is 2 and b is this one and a is this one, that is 7. If you compute the logarithm table, then simply this log 2 7 is n की power 2.81. So of course this is what? This is greater than into what? N square 2.81 plus some epsilon. So here it will go to the first case of master theorem, and its complexity is what? The Tn equal to what? Order of n की power 2.81. So here there is an improvement in the case of standard or the divide and conquer, simple divide and conquer approach. Just this here the order of n की power 2.1 instead of order of cube. Okay, so this is all about the Strachan matrix multiplication. Thank you.